Need for speed. Nitro. 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 So high. Got my eyes low. Bygones be bygones. Fake hoes be fake hoes. Broke niggas can't ride alone. Realest niggas only ride alone. And I'm stupid, I don't write no song.
As y'all can see, we got, like I said, I basically talked to y'all about this in my last video, which is, I got my Hellcat rims, 5 spokes. They pretty in good condition. I'm touching them up myself, which that's what I'm gonna be doing this video. Got everything I need up in there. I got them for a pretty good deal. I actually had bought these 3 and a 4th one, but the 4th one was cracked. And then I ended up coming across a dude that was selling just one, which was pretty damn good to get. But, some of them got little curb rashes and shit. This ain't nothing that I could fix. I could really get this looking brand new, which you guys will see after this. The other ones look pretty damn good. Tires bald on them for sure. But, that's gonna be another video when we get tires. And I also got something else that I'm gonna be putting together too. Y'all just stay tuned. We're gonna be painting for sure this today too. Hopefully we got enough paint. We might have enough paint. I just got 2 of them in there. But if we got enough time, we're gonna go ahead and hit this grill too and get that looking good. And we might go ahead and swap that out soon too. I should do that probably. I don't know. But also then I got this big boy box right here, which is the splitter. Since they not trying to make no more SRT8 bumpers and it's hard to find them, I'm gonna have to just go ahead and put a splitter on it and call it a day. It's a pretty nice splitter. I guess it's only made 4 Magnums, the splitter that I did end up getting. So I ain't tripping. I think it looked pretty nice on them though, once you actually get the hang of it, putting it on and make it look good. This is gonna be the first run we go ahead and touch up. I actually got some soap and water. This ain't interior cleaner. This is not interior cleaner, y'all. This is soap and water, just to get that sprayed up good, looking all clean, cause it is dusty. Been sitting down here for a little while, but we're gonna get it looking all good and brand new. Appreciate you guys showing hella love on my taking delivery video. I really appreciate y'all on that. More videos, like I said, more videos about to come. We're gonna keep turning up, just keep bringing in good content, good quality content. And I just appreciate everybody showing love, everybody that comment, liked, viewed the video. And shit, we're gonna just keep going up all year. And it's just, this year gonna be a good year. Good, blessed year for sure. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Let me not talk your guys' head off. Let's get on into what you guys clicked on this video to watch.
I'm on the graveyard shift, let me see him out. I've been trying to take dog shit, wood killing niggas. This bitch on some made dog shit. I could lead you to the water, I can't make y'all rich. What's a lost nigga? That's just how I gain my strength. I think niggas dumb, don't know how to take a calculated risk. Say you wanna win, how the fuck you do the opposite? Talking out your ass, but you trash overconfident. Trying to feed the fam, get a bag, I ain't knocking it. Chopper on some opposite. If you see it, then I'm popping it. Chopper got binoculars and prosthetic legs. If you tryna re-rock a whole nigga hit his head. You see life on the sunny side when niggas crack your head. My OG in the demon, green and yellow Packer fan. I'm not a pill head, I ain't never popped a Zayy. AK with a shorter brace, this bitch came from Pakistan. FMJ's in that bitch, 6 bullets, stop around. See a geek and flag him down, you know we don't play around. On gangbang, pull out the blue, spread them out. I've been slapping on the west side, exotic in my chest, while I'm listening to beats. If you got dope, go to the east. Don't be for internet, was taught to leave it in the street. Ask your bitch if she a freak, you know I'm dogging off the leash. Still getting blessings, still playing my cards right, trying to make it happen. I do real deal bagging. You ain't gotta say too much, boy, I know you capping. I ain't gotta put my trust in niggas when my brothers got me. This that 1-5.
Yes, sir. Let that first coat hit. As y'all can see. So you don't even see the scratches no more on it. You just gotta keep coating it. Keep coating it. And the way how you gotta spray it, make sure your hands, your fingers all the way back here. How y'all be making y'all shit be drippy looking and shit, y'all be having y'all shit like this. So when y'all spray, all right, I'm back at it again, y'all. As y'all can see how the rim looks so far. Back to what I was talking about though. When you got, before the camera died, I'm gonna go back to what I was talking about. When y'all spray, bro, how y'all begin overspraying shit, man. Y'all be having y'all damn finger all the way on the damn thing like this, and when y'all spray it, it bounces off your finger and just go everywhere and shit. And it sprays out weird. So just make sure when y'all spraying, and if y'all paint your own shit, make sure y'all shit all the way back here. This is where your thumbs need to be at, goddamn it, with your finger. Don't go past that damn triangle. But anyway, now got the camera charged back up and shit. Let's go ahead and set you guys back up and start hitting some more coats.
Line, I ain't playing hockey, yeah, I'm humble, I'm not cocky. Clutch stick when I be riding. Early mornings when we sliding just so we can get it in. I just be thanking God that he with me on this mission while I'm out here getting chicken, trying to focus on these millions. My mama say she love me, so this Kennick with me. Yeah, it's a 9 milli, but it hold nothing less than 50. 1150 on these kicks, these some different type of Rickies. This a different type of batch, that's why my lawyers fucking with me. See these phones doing numbers, why you think I'm rushing, nigga? He ain't never hit the road, that's why his phone can't stay consistent. Plugged in, I can't trip about these little niggas. 10 balls at 2 spots, real deal motion. I got 2 hoes who want the low, tryna get disgusted. And this phone got endless bang, why you think I'm clutching? I slide to Canal, but I'm back Sunday. If we talking about that pape, then I'm on the way. You gotta come commercial.
It's done. It's pretty dark down here. We got this one on over. Y'all see the little damages that's on this one. We're gonna sand this down first and then clean it up. So let me set you guys down. I'm gonna show y'all this quick process. It ain't gonna take too long.
Place on the interstate. I'm finna beat this road down, let me switch my place.
Get a spot, nigga, fill it up with balls, bust them down, do that shit a couple times, then you relocate. My mama keep telling me sit down, but I need more paper. You on your ass, you ain't getting to her back, boy, get out the way. Bout that paper, pull up fully out of Glocky, cuz got the Dray. When we done, bring out the red tape. Boy, this phone be for real, don't get no damn breaks. If I don't fuck with you for real, won't get no handshake. It really has some niggas creeping in your grass like they do landscape. You know these phones getting more, just caught a rush. I told Brody speed it up, I can't miss this hit. Bad back and I've been cracking for 3 days. I'm in and out, can't even hit the bed.
Hey, hear me out, it's some real deal spill. Dinero, dumbass. I said, I was gone, they thought I lost it, bitch. I got off Grand and Boston, beat her down for 7 hours off the perky. I'm exhausted, hit them all and blow it back. About to ask how much it costed when we fucked you at the bed. That little pussy water faucet out in traffic with the fat. Was on my ass, I had to toss it, got it on me. You will never know, cause I don't do the flossing. That's my dog, but if you cost me, I'ma put him in a coffin. She cook eggs, bacon, and the grits, but she love the sausage.
On my mama. She love the meat, I love the beef. I've been trapping for a week, ain't got time to get sleep. On my mama. R.I.P. my little brother, he died in his sleep. Ain't nobody saw no shit, I swear to God, they would've been deceased. I would've killed, I would've peeled them. 100 shots out the chop on my mama, he gon' feel them. For real, long little Calvin, you went out savage, died on the drill. I be stressed in the field, I feel better when I take a pill. On my life, if you went through the same shit I did, you'll cry every night. The streets come with a price. For life again, boy, I'ma take the risk, nigga, pass the dice. Seen the nigga rich off the pit, get turned to a hype.
That grill gonna look totally different too once I get to hitting that. Just look how dingy and faded out it is. Just wait till when I hit this though. If y'all don't know, these are staggered. These is 305s. These are 245s. They 245s. These are, where they at? 305s, 35s. Definitely gotta have that stagger look, especially on the Magnum. These motherfuckers look so good. Like, they look so good on my last Magnum. I'm gonna pop up a video right here. So y'all can see how they looked on my last Magnum. And I know they're gonna look good on this Magnum. Plus, it's black too. You know, it definitely looked good on the midnight blue. I ain't gonna lie. But I know this motherfucker gonna really look good on this black car. All right, y'all, I'm back. Just wanna show y'all the difference right here. How that look? Look way better. Way better. 305s in the back. Got them bitches way darker black than that black. Faded out, shit. These ones over here are still looking all good and wet. All right, y'all. We went ahead and already wiped this off. And we got the other rims over here. I'm filming off my phone, my other phone, and you can see the rims way better like this. So y'all see how they look. Real damn good. Yes, sir. Hell yeah. So we're about to go ahead and get started spraying this. I was gonna spray it on the bag, but the way how the bag just puffy up and stuff, it ain't gonna be able to get all the angles, excuse me. So we're gonna go ahead and spray it on top of this box. It ain't gonna hurt the damn box. Probably gonna just show y'all guys how I'm about to do this. So basically, like I said, like stuff like this, I angle it, boom. Basically like the dye symbol, so, you know, test spray, then you bring it down, just like that. You see how that's getting all dark and black now? You wanna spray across too. Try not to press too hard down on the sprays so much spray won't come out, so it could just goddamn overload it. You start touching them honeycombs up, blacking them boys out. Looks better already. Make sure you get all the edges. Make sure you angle it so you can get all in the both sides of the honeycombs and everything. Y'all see my dreads more than me. Shit, my fault, y'all.
I can't trust them. These hoes, I won't fuck them. Catch a nigga tryna reach in the bag, I'm gon' crush them. Got some headies up the way for the blues, I'm gon' crunch them. We HD, we heavy dumping. Got bows, I'm gon' flush them. They bows in the room, gone in the week, you wouldn't believe it. I get my back, stay out the way, cause most of the shit just be deceived. I bet I catch a nigga side, I ain't tryna peep it. Nigga run up on me wrong, he try to reach and I'ma bleach shit. I'm all solid, no shake. Bitch, my name, whole weight, I'm in the trap 24/7. Can't catch no break. I wake up, relay, I hit me 100 plays. Money coming in ridiculous, I make it 100 ways.
Cause for them risks, I'ma take it. I can't wait till we make it, bitch. We started from the basement. Can't chase a bitch, it's only paper that I'm chasing. Gotta keep a strappy in my city, I can't let no nigga take.
Final coat on it, as y'all can see. We got it dry still kind of wet, but like I said, we done deal on that, y'all. Rims over here look good, glossed up. Pretty much done painting. For real, we done. I ran through like probably 15 gloves. Not too many. But yeah, man, this is the process done right here. Only thing I could probably think about now is let's go ahead. I mean, I guess we might as well just unbox this. Probably gonna go outside and unbox it. Yeah, man. Appreciate y'all sticking so far in the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, man. That bitch is blacked out now. Y'all seen how I looked before and how I look now, how these look before and how they look now. Yes, sir.
Let no nigga take me. We been around tryna slide some. Really got it out the mud. All my niggas came from none. Nigga ever say he touch me, man, I swear to God he front. Nigga say he looking for me on my mama, I ain't ducking. On my mama, nigga. I ain't ducking no smoke. Remember days we was broken, we was sleeping on the floor. Don't do the net, but when I see you, I'ma blow. We ain't shooting up no house, so we gon' knock up on your door.
I was down and thought I lost it, bitch. I got more green than Boston. Beat her down for $7 off the perky. I'm exhausted, hit them all the blood back.
Let's take it out there. Oh, there comes the screws. The screws is right there. Boy, let me let's see how it look. So the way how they put this on for the mag, because if y'all could see, it gotta go on like underneath this motherfucker, or is I'm doing it the wrong way? Nah, I'm doing it the right way. That's how the screws come on this side and go into this part. Anyway, y'all see how it look. It's gonna look good once it goes on it. Feel me? So y'all understand where I'm coming from. Tell this is definitely cheap plastic though, but we're gonna make it work for what it is. Plan on throwing this on literally like real soon before I go get painted, because when I get painted I want that to get painted as well. But anyway, I think that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired as hell. It's like going on 7 o'clock. I've been painting all day, even making runs before I cut the camera on. But yeah, man, this is basically the splitter. And then, you know, you guys seen how I did the rims and the grill. So everything coming together. Appreciate you guys tapping into this video. Stay tuned to the next video. We will be installing this and possibly putting the grill on as well. So appreciate you guys watching the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
This phone being little nigga with that phone do. I done gave niggas my last when I ain't had to. I can't crash about no petty shit unless it's about that food. They need me for 150s, then I'm on the move. I'm busting down the LLCs, I'm telling Q I need 100 mil or two. Girls are straight Saudi, I can't think now. But I